The Python data structure lists, it has got 11 methods associated with it. You can check all these methods over here. Yeah, this is the Python official documentation page. I will give the link for this into the description box. You can go and check it out. Here I am into the VS Code, and I have already noted down here all the 11 methods, and I will be giving examples and taking you through all these 11 methods. Welcome to Simple Easy Python, and my name is Prem. I have already created a video about the lists. If you have not watched it, I will give an iCard up. Right now I am into the VS Code. Do not worry if you are using any other editor like Jupyter Notebook or Python IDLE. All these examples should equally work fine there as well. So first method here is append. Append and extend and insert, all these three methods are more or less same, but there are some minute differences between them that I will be discussing into the video, into an altogether separate video that I plan to release next Friday. Let me first of all define here a list. Let us say there are lists called apple, then orange, then lemon, one more time apple, banana, let's say cherry, and then again orange. Wrong spelling. Now this is our list. What if I try to add something new? Append, extend and insert, these all are used for adding elements to the existing lists. I have already discussed into the list video that lists are mutable, that is, once you have defined them or created them, you can add new elements as well. So let us say I want to append something called mango, and then let us call print the list, not list. So I am just going to copy it and paste it here as well after creating the list. Now let me try to run this program. List methods dot py. Here you see this is the list that we created first. Here this is our original list. Cheery, okay, wrong spelling, I apologize. We can correct that. Let's run it again. So this is our original list, the first line. And second line is that after appending mango, here mango has been appended at the end. Similarly, okay, let me comment it out. Let us come over here, lst.extend, and let us say again I am trying to append apple and print lst. Clear the terminal, run the program. Here you see there is a bit of difference. It is going word by word, character by character when it is trying to extend the apple here. So this is the basic difference here. So if I just remove these two lines, then probably you can see it better. Let's clear the terminal and run the program. Here it was appended like this, and here apple is being appended character by character. So that is one of the difference between append and extend. Let us quickly move to insert. Insert is going to insert an element at the given index. Right now this is how our list looks like. If I print it out, you see apple at 0 index, orange at index number 1. Remember, in Python indexes start at 0. Now what if I do is that lst.insert, and I say at position index 1 insert kiwi, and then again print lst. So now if I run this code, what happens here is that you can see this is our original list which I am highlighting, which is our original list. So apple at index 0, orange at 0 index 1, lemon at index 2, but now in this list you see apple is still at 0 index, but now kiwi has been inserted at index 1. So this is how it works. So let us comment it out, clear the terminal. Let me copy the whole list one more time so that we can keep a track of what we are doing. Remove. So this is our list. Remove, as the name suggests, that it is going to remove an element from the first element that it found from the list. So if I do something like this, orange, and then print lst again, orange is 2 times here at index 1 and at the last index, but it has removed the first occurrence of orange. Last occurrence of orange is still there. Let's move very quickly again, moving to the next method into our list of 11. I am just going to copy our original list again, and I'm just pasting it here. Pop, without any argument, it is going to always remove the element from the last index and return it. What did I do here? So let us print lst, and then here you will see that okay, now there is no more orange at the last position. But what if you give an index? Then it is going to remove the element from that particular index. For example, if I supply here index 2 and then print lst again, 0, 1 and 2, at index 2 we have got lemon. So now if I'm going to print it out, then lemon is gone from here. Here you see, this is it here. Let's move. This is same as deleting a list, that is the list clear. So if I do something like that, list clear, okay, let me first print the list before and after, print lst. Here you see, this is our list beforehand, and after using the clear we are getting an empty list. Let's comment it out and let's copy this list one more time, and then now I'm moving to list index. I have defined here list, not index. What does it do? The index is going to return you the first index of the given of the element that you have supplied. Print, yeah, so orange it is at index 1 and also at the last index, but it is going to give me the first index. Here you see 1. Additionally, you can supply here a start and end so that you can just limit the search criteria as well. Let me comment it out. Now count is going to give me the count of a particular element. So let me use orange, which is more than 1 time. Again, I believe I need to here use a print statement. So this is print statement. Orange is 1 and 2 times, so I should be getting an output 2. Here you see 2. If I change it to something like say cherry, I will be getting 1. Here you see 1. So clear it. Moving on to the next one, sort. Okay, let me copy the list from here one more time and bring it down to lists for sort. Sort function, as the name suggests, it is going to sort the list. It does not return anything. Now if I print list, I should be getting a sorted version of the list. Here you see, and I believe there is something called reversed true. Let me go to here, Python reverse is equal to false. Yeah, that's Python documentation. So if I go and write here, let reverse is equal to true, then it is going to sort it alphabetically descending order. So orange, lemon, cherry, banana and apple. So in the first instance everything was starting with the letter A, and here it is in descending order. Now next one is, okay, let me copy the list again from here and bring it down. As the name suggests that it is going to reverse the list. So there is a difference between sort and reverse. Now if I print list, let us see here. So now apple was at position 1, now it has moved to last position. Orange was here at second position, now it has moved to second last position. This orange has come to first position here. Cherry from second last position, it has come to the second position. This is how reverse works. So it is different from sort. Now I think we are left with just a last method. So it creates a shallow copy method. It is going to create a shallow copy. There are two types of copies basically. One is called shallow copy and another one is called deep copy. What is the difference between them? Well, that's altogether a different matter for a different video. I will try to bring up with that video as well in the near future. So let us say I create something called list copy is equal to lst dot copy, and now I print lst underscore copy. Then it should be printing exactly the same here what we have. So this is it for the list methods. If you are liking this video, if you find it useful, then consider giving it a like and subscribing to my channel. Also share it with your friends who are learning Python. Next video that I am going to come up with is indexing and slicing for strings and lists both. I have already created a video for strings. I will give it as an end screen. If you have not watched it, you can go, and I will give the link of the Python basics playlist as well into the description. You can go and watch it. Till then, happy coding.